Hello guys, welcome back to the third video in this series. So in the last video we looked at map view and the scene view. Okay, so now in this video what we will be doing is we will be separating these views. So we will be creating separate components for each of this map view and scene view. So I will come to this source src folder. Okay, I will be creating a new folder which I will name components. Okay, and now inside this I will be creating a new folder which I will be naming ArcGIS, or let's say what we do is we create for map view, okay, and one for scene view. Okay, let's come to this folder first, map view. I will create a new file here, index.js. Okay, okay, so we have created two folders for this one. One is for map view and one is for the scene view. Okay, so what we will be doing is now we have this code here, this use effect and all this. We will be moving this code to the map view. Okay, so I will cut this code from here and we will come to this map view. Okay, and here we will be creating this new component. All right, okay, so we have this here, and now we need to do is export default map view. Okay, and we will import this use effect from here, and also this map view. Okay, the scene view, we will be moving this to the scene view component. So just a minute and then we will be moving this to the other portion. All right, so we will copy this two from here. Okay, and here we will be importing them here in this component in the map view. Okay, so we have this one here. So it's actually giving me the error because our this component name and the component map view from this ArcGIS code, it's same. Okay, so what we will be doing is we will give this a name, something like ArcGIS map view. Okay, well we can change this name to anything, but for now I will name this ArcGIS map view. Okay, okay, and this one we will be moving actually, and we have this use effect here. Okay, and we will create a return, and it will be returning a div. Okay, I will name this ArcGIS map view. Okay, now in this component we actually don't need this div here, so instead of this I will be returning our map view component. So I will move this from here and I will call this here ArcGIS map view. Okay, so we have imported this ArcGIS map view from the folder. Okay, the scene view. Now let's come to the scene view, create a new index.js file here. Okay, and I will copy actually all this code and we will paste it here. Okay, and this one, because it's a scene view, so let's rename this to ArcGIS scene view. We will be using the use effect here. Okay, so let's import this one also. Then we are not using this map view. Okay, so I will remove this one from here, and because in this scene view we are already using this map. Okay, we are creating this map, we are using this map class inside, so we will not be using this also. Okay, and then everything is correct. Okay, just we need to create a map reference here. So I will create quickly map ref equal to use ref. Okay, and I will point this to the null in the start. Okay, this is the scene view. We need to import the scene view. Okay, and then we will be exporting this scene view from here. All right, and here I will, for now, I will say it's a scene view. Okay. Okay, so now we have created two separate components. One is for map view and one is for scene view. Okay, let's look in the scene map view. Okay, we don't need this. Here we will be using a map view, and here we will be also destroying this map view component. Okay, let's look at the code. Everything is perfect. We need to uncomment this one. Map ref. We will be creating a map ref here. Map ref is equal to use ref. Okay, and it will be initially, it will be null. Okay, so till here it's done. And okay, ArcGIS map view, we don't need any reference here now. Okay, map view is okay, I will remove this also, and we also don't need this. Okay, and if we now come to our application, all right, it's giving us some export. Okay, in the map view, let's see what's the problem here. Okay, what's the problem? Because invalid JS syntax. All right, so I think, okay, so what we have to do is, because we are using React, so we need to actually change this with the JSX. Yeah, now it should be working now. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, let's check console. All right, there is no error. And okay, so it's not getting the map view component. Why? Let's look our code. Map view, we are okay, it's correct. So where is the problem? Okay, in the map view we are using everything correctly, and we are just returning this thing. So export default ArcGIS map view. Yep, okay, it's working fine. Yeah. All right, so we can see here this component is correctly returning. So what we will do here is we will create reference. We'll give it map reference. Okay, and the other thing, okay, so we can see here our map is displaying here now. So I will remove this map view. Actually, we don't need this anymore. And here we will give it a class name. And for class name, actually, I will create a new file inside this mapview.css, and I will give it a name, styles. It could be anything. We can name it also mapview.css. So just to differentiate for this one, because we are using this for mapview actually. But I will give it the name styles.css. Okay, and in this one, we will give it here a class name. Okay, I will say mapview div. Okay, let's come here and give it the width 100%, and we will give it a height 100 VH. Okay, we can also give it the background color if we want. Okay, so it should be displaying correctly now. So let's see what's the problem. Okay, so it's saying failed to load base map. Okay, map view, base map, so everything is we're fine here. So we have here our map ref. Here we are calling this component in the app.css. Actually, this is no problem for us. We can actually comment this one. Okay. Okay, so let's look at this index.jsx. Okay, so there is some issue with this one. So with the map, let's see what is the issue here we are having. It's correct actually, base map, everything is correct. Okay, this is the class name. We have this map reference here. This is map view. Okay, let's change this to streets vector and see if it's working or not. Okay, it's still giving the same issue. Maybe it's we need to see why it's coming. It's promise dot catch. Okay, so like there is some issue with the request it's going. Okay, no problem. We will see what's the issue here. Just map view. Okay, we have our scene view. Let's try to create scene view and see if this one is giving the same issue or not. So we have our map ref. Okay, and we'll also give this the class name. We will say scene view div. And for this one, we will be creating a separate styles.css. Okay, and we will give this the width, height, it's 100 VH, background color, we'll say dim gray. Okay, and okay, let's give the background color here also. Alright, so here I will be saying scene ArcGIS scene view. Okay, it's yep, it's giving errors. Let's refresh and see what is the error. New map, just scene view. So well, I think it's the issue with this, something with the folder name and then the component we are using. So let's do something like in this one we rename it to just map view. Okay, and we say yes. Okay, and for this one let's do the same. Yeah, and see here if it's yep, it's something wrong here in the scene view. What could be the issue here? So okay, let's try with this different name here. Okay, ArcGIS Map View. Okay, Okay, it's what could be the problem here? So map view. Oh, okay. We forgot to do something here actually, which is the issue with the styles also. Yeah. So yeah, this is working fine now. Okay. So this is a very important thing. So we were not importing this style.css file, and because of this we were getting this error, failed to load base map. Okay. So now we can rename this to the index.jsx, and pretty much it will work fine with the same. Okay. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, and I will change the base map. We were street vector. I don't like this a lot, so I will change it to the OpenStreetMap. Okay, this is good. Now for our ArcGIS map view, we have created a separate component for this one, and it's working fine. Now let's move to the scene view, and here we have to do the same thing. Okay, and import. We will be importing the styles.css file here. Okay, everything it will be the same. We will just remove this here, we don't need this one. Okay, and comment this one, and let's use the scene view now to see if it's working fine or not. All right, let's go back. Okay, refresh. Okay, well, its object is not iterable. Okay, property symbol. Okay, it's something is wrong here, so let's go back. And the problem is we are not actually importing the map, so this is the reason it's giving us this error. Import map from. Okay, we'll go to the views, and oh, actually it's not inside view, it's outside. Okay, so now it should work fine. Yeah, it's working fine. Let's close this one. Okay, so our map, it's loaded here, and it's working fine. Okay, so now in this video what we have just did is we created two separate components for map view and the scene view. Okay, well, what we can do more in this video is, because if we look here, this is all like this code, it's just JavaScript. So we can separate this one also to a component, and we will take a look on this one because it's now quite a long video. So we will be in the next video, we will be looking at separating this into a JavaScript file. Okay, and then using this JS. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.